right, good morning, everyone.
Oh, they beat me to it. Good morning, everyone. All right, good morning, everyone. Today we are here at Legacy for Octoberfast. Yesterday we did the drift event. We did some skids. Now we're here for some grips. Yeah, we got over 100 cars today, so that should be cool. We're gonna have a lot of fun today. It's projected to be warm, so we'll actually be able to get some heating tires. Let's get started. All right, walking course. Here's the start. Right there, and there's already a crossover, like super close. I don't know. It looks like it's gonna be a fun course. I think. I like the white. I like when they put the white chalk on. It makes me feel like I'm on a racetrack.
The box over there to loop around, go back again.
Yeah, we come flying through.
Back around.
And then we have like a quick divot over the hump though, so that's gonna make the car upset.
Nah.
So we got this like weird 180 over here. And then we go all the way back of that lot and do another 180 and come all the way back here. So this is gonna be a long course. But we're not gonna be able to walk it off because we have driver's meeting. So we have a yearbook Civic. Everyone's signing the hood of this car. And yeah. Shout out to your boy. Oh yeah. You know what? Almost forgot. Yeah. We just did our driver's meeting. We have some fun events. There's prizes. Prizes for like fun stuff like, run the same exact time twice, get a run that ends in 000 or 666, stuff like that. And it looks like a really fun course, super long. I didn't get to walk it, I only walked like half of it. So we're gonna go figure this out because I'm going up first. All right, we got a long course, some cold tires. I'm still used to drifting in a bad alignment. What could go wrong? Nothing. There's pumpkins. Oh yeah. Woo! No, this corner doesn't make you slide.
Well, they're gonna be warm by the time I run. Wow, some of those are tight. Wow.
Oh yeah. We need some heat in the brakes also. A minute 4.
Wow.
Get some heat in the brakes. Yeah, that was bad.
Don't.
Okay.
Okay.
They're cold, yeah.
Don't.
Okay, won't happen again. Record this one for the vlog. Like abuses tires, like it thoroughly uses them,
Oh yeah.
This car's awesome. that RS is a monster. That RS is a monster. I'm gonna try to break into 57s.
Long course.
Yeah, it is. I think Chris's fastest time is 53. That's the fastest time so far today.
Whoa.
And he's generally fastest time of the day now with that RS.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go. definitely not a 59. Is it gonna update? Oh. I'll have to check the live timing then.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Alright, so I'm just nice through here. I'll just go to... And this is the double apex part here. I'll brake here, see how far I go out. Bring it through here. And we can just drop it right here. Watch this part, watch this part. See how I did that?
Very nice.
This one I'll hug the wall here, bring my back tire here, hold some throttle, and then dive it in sharp. Don't touch the brakes. Go sharp here, all the way over here, brake there, and bring it in. This, you can just gas it.
Nice. That helps a lot with the line.
Did you see the line I took
Yeah.
though? That's probably ideal for our cars.
Yeah.
Ready?
I'm ready. He's not. Does he know it's an instructional?
Oh yeah, we gotta tell him. Who's working the trailer?
Instructional!
He's over there. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, watch the line I take here. Your ABS isn't happy.
No.
Alright guys, that's the end of the day today. A little disappointed we don't get any more runs in the afternoon. We only got 3, so I wasn't able to get my best time. I got a fast 55.9, but it was a dirty run. And all my runs this afternoon were dirty, just barely nicking cones. Like one of them I saw it just barely tipped over. I was like, no! Anyway though, had a lot of fun this weekend. I gotta give the 350Z a little break, give it some TLC, and we'll see you at the next event or next modification. Ooh. Anyway guys, thanks for watching.